Dr. Chetna Patel from Anja, now at present Vancouver, Canada. હું ડૉક્ટર શ્રેયાબેનના ઓનલાઈન યોગા ક્લાસીસમાં છેલ્લા 5 મહિનાથી જોડાયા છું. શ્રેયાબેન ડૉક્ટર હોવા છતાં તેમની વ્યસ્તતા વચ્ચે પણ સમય કાઢીને અમને જે રીતે એમનું જ્ઞાન પીરસે છે તે ખૂબ સરાહનીય છે. મને છેલ્લા 25 વર્ષથી રૂમેટોઇડ આર્થરાઇટિસ છે. આ ઓનલાઈન યોગા ક્લાસીસમાં જોડાવાથી મને ખૂબ રાહત થઈ છે અને હું એમની ખૂબ દિલથી આભારી છું. એ જે રીતે એમના જ્ઞાનનો ઉપયોગ કરે છે અને પ્રેમથી અમને માર્ગદર્શન આપે છે તે ખરેખર હૃદયને સ્પર્શે છે. આપનો આ ઉપકાર અમે શ્રેયાબેન કદી પણ ભૂલી શકીએ તેમ નથી. તે તો જીવનભરની ઋણ સ્વીકારની ભાવનાની જેમ છે.
I am Darshan Shah from Dahod. This has been my first experience of online yoga classes. Frankly speaking, yoga classes by Dr. Shreyaben is not only a yoga session, but it is a wonderful experience of meditation too. I was quite lethargic, but after attending the yoga classes by Dr. Shreyaben, I became more positive and energetic.
Hello, I, Dr. Ramesh Bhai Patel, aged 61 year, gynecologist from Anja. Since January 2025, I am attending online yoga class of Dr. Shreyaben Shah. I am sharing my experience of yoga journey in few words. From basic to advanced, each session is a journey inwards, helping us grow in mind, body and spirit. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts for sharing your time, energy and wisdom so generously. Offering your classes free of cost reflect your spirit of service and compassion. You have gifted us not just yoga, but a path to inner peace, healing and strength without expecting anything in return. Your selflessness is deeply inspiring and forever appreciated. Your passion for yoga and genuine care for us make every class special.
नेतृत्वातले म्हणून कार्यरत आहे. डॉक्टर श्रेया शाह मॅडम आणि डॉक्टर मेहुल शाह सर हे माझे गुरु आहेत. मी मागील 6 महिन्यापासून डॉक्टर श्रेया शाह मॅडम यांच्या मार्गदर्शनाखाली योगा क्लास करत आहे आणि त्याच्यामुळं माझ्या शरीरामध्ये खूप स्फूर्ती वाढलेली आहे. माझे जॉईंट पेन एकदम कमी झालेले आहेत आणि माझा वजन जो मी जिम वगैरे जॉईन केलं होतं तरी कमी नाही होत होतं, तर ते 3 महिन्यामध्ये 5 किलो वजन माझं कमी झालेलं आहे. आणि मी डॉक्टर श्रेया शाह मॅडम यांना योगा क्लासबद्दल खूप धन्यवाद.
Namaskaram. My name is Ruchita. Here I would like to share the benefits of yoga through my yoga journey under the guidance of Dr. Shreya ma'am since January 2025. The first biggest advantage or the benefit of yoga that I have experienced is I have started waking up early in the morning previously, which was very difficult for me. Last few minutes are dedicated to meditation. Every Friday is exclusive for chakra meditation, which channelize the energy in the body. And since January 2025, I am experiencing the flexibility in body. It changes my views about my surroundings in positive way. I truly have experienced the increased work efficiency and positivity in thoughts. I gain clarity and calmness in mind. Do yoga and be healthy. Thank you.
Hi, this is Amishi from Dubai. I have been attending the yoga class from Dr. Shreya Shah for the last 5 months and it has been truly wonderful experience. I am very grateful to Dr. Shreya Shah for what I have learned. It helped me to understand my body and to discover my strength and weakness. Thank you very much.
Hello, I am Najmuddin Jadliwala from Dahod, Gujarat. I have joined this yoga class and it's good for our body and mind. I have benefited a lot from it. Thank you so much, Dr. Shreya.